Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive deeper into Python ecosystem by exploring modules, comment and a powerful tool called pip. So basically modules in Python are like pre-written codes, libraries that provide ready-to-use functions and classes. This saves your time and allows you to leverage the work of others. First of all, let us create a new file called module. Now we are going to import the math module. So you need to import math. Now from math module we are going to use sqrt function to calculate the square root. Math module sq function calculate square root of, let us suppose 25. Then we print the result. Now we'll run our program. So the square root of 25 is 5. Let's take an example of module called random. So we import a module random. This module generates a random integer within a specified range. This is a random number which is generated by this module. Randint function generates a random integer within a specified range. Now let's talk about comment. Comment are line of text in your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter. They are used to explain what your code does, making it easier to understand and maintain. So let's create a single line of comment. For single line of comment you can use hash function. You can use hash and then write a comment. Now running this program, this comment will be ignored by the interpreter. And for multiple line comment you can use triple quote. This means comment. So still the code is random. Now we are going to see about pip function. Now let's discuss about pip. Pip is a package manager for Python. It allows you to install and manage third-party libraries. So you can use, let's install a module called pyjokes. So we have installed the package PyJokes. So we have successfully installed PyJokes. Now we'll import PyJokes. So PyJokes joke console print joke here. This is a joke generated by PyJoke module. You can also see the documentation of PyJoke. You can see the documentation of PyJoke here. This is for installing PyJoke. It's a one-line joke for programmers. You can see the documentation here.